present.
Should I be scared now?
No.
Yeah, I'm very, very
Meg's
afraid.
opening present.
No, you don't have to be afraid. I made her take the baby snakes and save them for later.
What is it?
I kept it a secret.
It's the phone I want.
Good job, Katie.
Mom,
Thank you.
you
Ooh, it's purple.
It is slightly used, but
It's okay.
it looks pretty darn close to new.
It's
So.
okay. You didn't have it very long.
Yeah, I told Katie. No, Kathleen, I told Katie about it, and Katie said, "Oh, well then Megan's gonna need to recycle her phone." That's the first thing she thought about.
comes with a